Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Bombay Chutney. Bombay Chutney is a very tasty chutney. It's very easy to make also. You can make with besan flour called as kadala maavu. So come, let's go into the video and see how to make Bombay Chutney. So I have taken 50 grams of besan flour kadala maavu, cooking oil, salt, jeera, mustard seeds, garam masala powder, chili powder, 1 big onion chopped, asafoetida, 1 tomato chopped, ginger 1 tablespoon grated, curry leaf. So these are the ingredients needed to make Bombay chutney. Really, it's a very tasty chutney. Just add little asafoetida. You just pour 400 ml of water, whisk it nicely till there is no crystal ball types in the basin water. This is a North Indian recipe and even in Tamil Nadu also people are making. So pour some more water and it should be watery. So now the basin mixture is ready. It should be like in a rasam consistency. Come, let's do now Bombay chutney. On the stove, heat the kadai, pour 4 tablespoons of oil, grease it, season it with mustard seeds, jeera, asafoetida, allow it to splutter. Now add 1 chopped onion, mix it well, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, curry leaf, mix it well. Now add chopped 1 tomato, mix this also well. Add less amount of salt for tomato to get cooked. Just keep this for 5 minutes. Then add garam masala powder, chili powder, mix it well. Now after 1 minute, add the basin mixture. Mix it well. Allow it to boil. Add required amount of salt. This easily gets thick, so you have to add water. Think like half a liter of water again. Close it with lid for 5 minutes. Just check whether salt and all is enough. It's a very tasty chutney. Most of street side shops for idli dosa, they give this chutney. And in hotels also, if their sambar gets over, they'll do this chutney fast. See, it comes to this consistency. Now transfer it to a vessel. Bombay chutney is ready. You can consume this for idli, dosa, puri, chapati, idiyappam also. Please try the recipe, subscribe, comment and like the video. Now you can garnish with coriander leaves.